The level of digital white label can vary. In talking to over 600 advertising agency owners last year, the conversation became clear that there's really 3 different levels of help that they're looking for. The first is at the platform level, and that's where you can access all sorts of different software. And the second is that vendor level. Vendors can become specific to paid search, paid social, SEO, and they can do a good job for you. The third level is really partnership, and that's where they're looking for a full suite of products and services across the digital spectrum. We're really essentially a complete ad operations team that is focused on strong performance from certified experts in their space. It's also great communication that keeps you up to speed with exactly what's happening with your clients' campaigns so that you can let them know and help them grow. It is performance and communication that drives the partnership level.